Hello, my name is Misskalekye, and today I'll be sharing simplest ways to make managu using the available ingredients in the market. And so please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, comment, and share with everybody. And if this is the kind of content you need, please hit that notification bell and keep it locked here. So we will start by putting the managu in the sufuria. So this managu, I got them from the market, the local market. So this vegetable is available in the market. So we'll start by pre-boiling the managu. So as I boil managu, I will be making ugali on the side. So this is me preparing the ugali. Yeah, so nakoroga until even. Start with I'm going to have onions, a cup of milk, tomatoes, 2 Maggi cubes, salt, and the pre-boiled managu. Make sure you pre-boil them. Yeah. So serve with ugali. For me, I've served with ugali and avocado and tomatoes, and seasoned it with ambo seasoning mix. That's a salt and a mix of salt and black pepper. Enjoy!